I want to explain very important topic definition of sociology and what is the subject matter of sociology. Sociology is the systematic and scientific study of human society, social relationships, and patterns of social behavior. What is the subject matter of sociology? The subject matter of sociology refers to the key areas or themes that sociology studies, in other words, what sociology focuses on. These include the structures, processes, relationships, and patterns that shape human social life. Sociology's subject matter is the entire range of social life, from small interactions to large institutions, from personal identity to global systems. Main areas of sociology's subject matter: 1. Social institutions. Sociology studies how major institutions operate and influence us. Family, roles, parenting, marriage, education, schooling, inequality, curriculum, religion, beliefs, rituals, social control, economy, work, class, capitalism, politics, power, governments, authority, health, access to care, mental health, social patterns. 2. Social groups and relationships. Primary groups, like family and friends. Secondary groups, like schools or workplaces. Group dynamics, cooperation, conflict, leadership. 3. Social stratification and inequality. Class, race, gender, ethnicity, how society is layered and how opportunities differ. Poverty, privilege, discrimination. 4. Culture, norms, values, beliefs, customs, language, how culture shapes behavior and identity. 5. Social change and social processes, how societies evolve over time. Urbanization, globalization, digital life movements, revolutions, and technological impacts. 6. Deviance and social control, what is considered normal or deviant crime. Punishment, laws, morality. 7. Human interaction, everyday life, symbols, communication, how individuals interact in different settings, for example, symbolic interactionism.